Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the image zoom in your Shopify shop. So first off, you'll start from the Shopify dashboard here. This is where you'll typically land when you first log in or register on Shopify. Now the thing you have to do now, let's go to online store and then let's go to the theme section right here, right? Now on here, click on the button to customize. Wait for it to load. Now for example here, I have an image banner. Let me give it an image real quick. I'm going to do shop local and I'm going to do something like this. Now, it doesn't matter what image you'll use, all of the method will stay the same. Now, the thing we need to do is that we will need to hover over the first image section here, and then we'll have to click on this pencil icon to edit the image. Now, once editing the image, you want to go to the crop and transform section here. Now, there isn't a explicit zoom method, but the thing we can do instead is cropping it. And even though it's crop, it can give the illusion, or it's basically the same functionality as a zoom. Because for example, if I want to zoom in into these clothes, right, that means I just want to show the clothes and the frame will be only at this section here, right? So even though it says it zooms, it actually is the same thing. Even though it says it's crop, it actually is the same thing as zoom, right? Once you're happy with the zoom here, so this is what the picture will look like now. It's zoomed in to only the clothes here. The gray area here along the side will not be shown. Just click on apply, and now your new image will be like this. It's zoomed in like this, right? Now you see. Now this is the new image of the zoomed in one. Now let's go back and you'll see in our image banner, it has been updated, right? Now I'm going to show you again but this time with another image banner. This time it will be with image with text, right? Now I'll show you that it's the same exact methodology. Now this time I'm going to do this phone image. I'm going to click on select. Same thing, edit image. Wait for it to load. On edit image, crop and transform. Make sure it's freeform as well, right? So you can change and crop it however you'd like or zoom at it however you'd like. For this one, I want to zoom into the phone here, or maybe I can zoom into the watch here, just to show it can be anywhere. If you zoom a little bit too much, the image might look a little compressed or blurry. So be mindful of that. Again, once you're happy, just click on apply. There you go. You see, if I zoom in too much, right, it'll look blurry. You can zoom in a lot if you really have a high quality image. If you're unhappy with the zoom, just click on this button to undo, right? And then let's zoom into something that's less extreme and it'll look a little better. So something like this. Click on apply. There you go. Lot much better. Let's click on save. Wait for it to load. There you go. Exit. And now our image has been zoomed in.